Hey, it's Chelsea from AHA. I would love to show you how you can update your roadmap data in real time right from your whiteboard in AHA Whiteboards. It's through something we just built called Smart Zones. Let's check it out. So here we are on a whiteboard getting ready for a strategic planning session for our fictitious fitness app called Fredwin Cycling. I have all of our features here on the board and I'm almost done setting up our smart zones. I have my horizontal smart zones here for my initiatives and then my vertical zones for the releases. And where they both interlap, like here and here, both initiative and release data is going to apply. So now as I plan out my delivery timing, I can drag any of these features over to the correct zone and I should see the correct initiative or release connected or both. So let's turn on this first frame here. Let's make it a smart zone and show you what I mean. I'm going to click into the toolbar, enable that smart zone icon. I'm going to select the correct release, October in this case, and I could select really any additional attribute I might like. Now I can see it's enabled by this little icon right here on the right. So if I drag this particular feature over, I should now see that it is both in the October release and aligned with this initiative, Enhanced Analytics Capabilities. So let's check it out. Okay, here we go. I've got the right initiative. I've got the right release. Boom. Yes. Okay. This is such a magical way to adjust my plans on the fly. No duplicate data entry needed. No cleanup later. Just faster, more collaborative planning with your team. I hope you enjoy it.